Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the battery. Now, locate the battery. It is typically secured with additional screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. As you do this, remember to keep track of which screws belong to the battery, as they may differ in size from the others. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be patient and avoid using excessive force. If you find this process daunting, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Once the battery is disconnected, you can lift it out of the laptop. Take a moment to clean the area where the battery was located. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the same position as the old one and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely attached, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. Next, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. Again, be mindful of the different sizes and ensure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the battery or the laptop. After securing the battery, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 530 14 IKB to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly.